Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off Facebook's activity history tracking on non-Facebook websites. Facebook tracks your interactions with apps and websites outside of Facebook to determine where you go from Facebook. If you want to disable this tracking, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open Facebook and click on your profile icon at the top right. Then, click on Settings and Privacy, and under that, select Settings. On the left side, under Account Center, select Password and Security. Next, under Account Settings, click on your information and permissions, and then click on your Activity Off Meta Technologies. This section contains information shared by businesses about your interactions with their apps and websites. You'll have the option to disconnect specific activity or manage future activity. To turn off future tracking, select the last option and click on Disconnect Future Activity. Then, click Continue. Please note that this will also clear any previous activity saved by Facebook. Disconnecting future activity might take up to 48 hours to fully take effect. If you are logged into any apps or websites using Facebook, disconnecting future activity may log you out of those. Also, if your Instagram profile is linked to other apps, disconnecting may stop Instagram from being connected to these businesses. While Facebook will still receive activity from apps and websites for measurement and advertising purposes, your ads will be less personalized. Click Disconnect Future Activity, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope I was able to help. I look forward to catching you in the next tutorial.